Welcome everyone to this new video of the section of theory. Let us summarize high level which are the phases and the actions for a pizza dough. Well, we can say that mainly the actions that we do are the kneading part. That could be with different methodologies, could be done with the method no knead, could be done manually, or could be done with a mixer. Then there is the balling. It is actually where we divide the dough in different parts, small parts. For example, if we are making 4 pizzas, in the kneading part we are making all the dough, but then we are balling to make the 4 pizzas. And then there is the stretching. So why I'm talking about those 3 phases? Well, today's video I have to explain you some terms, and unfortunately those words are not possible to translate in English, so I have to tell you in Italian, and I highly invite you to learn those Italian words, especially if you are watching any videos of any other pizza maker, or even following my website. You will find those words. It's important to have the understanding of what do they mean. So we say that there is the kneading, the balling, and the stretching. Now, the 3 words that we are going to cover today, the first one, it is called puntata. Puntata in English often is referred like the first fermentation, or also bulk fermentation. And actually it's not an action, it is the time between the kneading and the balling. So it is the first fermentation time. And usually the puntata is needed to give strength to the dough. So if we have longer puntata, we will have a better structure, but at the same time we are giving strength. Strength means that when we are going to stretch it, we can find sometimes difficult to stretch it if it's not well relaxed. Then the second word is called staglio. And staglio, practically, it is another way or another word to call balling. Okay, so here I'm saying it is the dough divider. In this case, the staglio, it is an actual action, because we are dividing the dough in parts. This can be done with different techniques. I'm going to cover in a different videos. The next word is called appretto. Once again, appretto, it is the time after we make the ball and before the stretching part. During this part, we have, sometimes it's called the second fermentation and maturation, because the process, the chemical process is still continuing, and during this part, practically, we are making the dough ready to be cooked, to prepare our pizza. Once again, is not an action, but is time. So when you will read or hear those words puntata, staglio, and appretto, now finally you have the understanding what are they referring to. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was short, and if you have any question, ask me in the comments. Thank you. Bye.